Okay.
I have not yet started my VMware. Okay. Yesterday we have seen in the last session what are the different commands we have seen yesterday. One is mkdir, another one is cd, next one is rmdir, right? We are going to see the rm command, cp command, me command. Rm command is used to remove files directory. File directory. Remove both files and directory. Whether it is empty or non-empty. In the last session, we have seen that the rmdir command is only meant to remove the empty directory.
It's empty directory.
Non-empty directory we cannot able to remove.
Yes.
But today we'll see that the rm command is applicable to remove not only files but also the directory, and whether it is empty or non-empty, it's not a problem. By using rm command, we can remove both. Okay. Let me start it. It will take some time. Start. Okay. What is the syntax? Syntax to RAM, son, file name, or directory name. File or directory. Let me. Yes. Let me get some directory or create some directory. Let me create one directory here on, here 2, here 3. Okay. Okay, it is already there. Okay, it is already there. Okay, here D7, D1, D12, D13. These are all the directory. Okay. Then how can you come to know that these are all directory that I have created? S-L. I created D11, D12, and D13. So we will see here. These are all directory because when you issue the command ls-l, you can very well see a long listing of files which depicts each and every attributes of files in 7 different columns. First, show the D stand for directory. So which directory? D11, D12, D13 are nothing but the directory. Okay. Let me go to D11, test.txt. I am txt. Sorry, I think it's there, right? Get test.txt. Writing some file like chatty yes sir. Control D. Okay. Test.txt. So I have created one file within D11 directory. I have created 3 directory, right? I created 3 directory. One is D. Where is D11? D11, D12, and D13. Within D11, I have created one file called test.txt. Let's go to D12. Let me create few files here. Get one.txt, Unix, Spark, Scala, one txt. Fine. Let me do.txt. Hadoop, Spark, Spark, Scala. Okay. To.txt. Okay. I have created 2 different files within D12 and D13. I don't have any data. Okay. So now just I wanted to dir. D11 and D12 is not a empty directory, but I try to remove the directory using the dir command to D11 and D12. D11. That direct what it is saying? Directory is not empty because I am trying to dir D12. It is also saying that directory is not empty. Directory not empty. That means dir only applicable to delete or remove that directory which is having not file. So let's try to remove D13. Okay, it is very well. Now search for D13 here. We have D11, D12, but D13 is not there because we have removed D13. RMDIR command is only meant to remove the empty directory. So question is how can I remove whenever a file is there? Let's go to D12. We'll do the ls. Here you will find two different files. One is file 1.txt, another one is file 2.txt. First of all, let me remove the file 2.txt. rm file 2.txt. ls, yes, rm is working fine for the file. Now go back to the previous directory. Means I need to come out from the D12. In D12, how many files are there right now? Only one file is there. 1.txt is there only. Now I'm trying to remove the D12. Means D12 is a non-empty directory. Let me go back to come out from the D12. Double double dot means it is immediately the directory it is present right now will moves back to its immediate parent directory. Who is the immediate parent directory of D12 right now? The immediate parent directory is nothing but the user's home directory, right? We have created the three different directory D11, D12, and D13 in user's home directory. So right now in within the D12, I want to back to the previous directory. Previous directory means user's home directory. So it will cd dot dot. It will let me to go back to the previous directory. Right now I'm in which directory? In my home path. User's home directory, right? Now I want to put the command for the rm d13 d12 sorry rm d12 is a directory. If it is a directory, then how can I use that rm command to remove the directory? So there is one option is there d12 hyphen r will go to delete the file exists within the D12 and it is going to remove the directory. Let's say, are you able to see D12 now? No, right? rm-r option will is going to recursively delete or remove the directory. Okay. Suppose let me and D15. I'm creating another directory D15 going to D15 and I am let me get suppose test one.txt. Uh, the test two.txt. Let's see. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Python, Hadoop. So I have created 3 different files within the directory called D15. Okay. To do the ls, you can see 3 different files I have created. So now, how can I remove all the file in one shot? There is a command called test star. It will remove everything. See, there is no file, right? Just places test, then do a pattern matching of kind character. The star will search any characters after this one. It is matched, but it is saying that the file name start with test. Remove all the files. Or maybe the characters after this. But if all the test file exists within directory D15 should be removed. Okay. So this is a command to remove all the directory, the files. Suppose let me again recreate all the files. I have created again 3 files: test1.txt, test2.txt, test3.txt. Now, if I want to go out from D15 and I will try to remove everything using rm-r, I can able to remove everything. Suppose if I want to remove, if I don't have a permission to remove, I wanted to remove that file directory. Okay, then what can I do? rm d15, rm-f d15. It will remove, sorry, rm-r f owner. rm-r will work only. Okay. Else is there. Okay. And back. Yes, one more thing is there. Suppose want to mkdir d16 cd d16. Let me touch f1 .txt, f2, f3, f4, f5, 16. How many files I have created? 5 files. These are all f1.txt. This file does not contain any data because the touch command usually allow us to create a single file or multiple file without any content. Because here we do not place any content, but The file is already created. Okay, file is already created, but it does not contain any content. There is no content within this particular file. Which are all empty file only. This command is only used to create a empty files. So I have created how many files here? f1.txt, f2.txt, f3.txt, f4.txt, and f5.txt. 5 files I have created. Okay. So how can I delete all the files? rm f.star. rm f.star will delete all the files in one shot. And once simply rm star also it will work. Okay. rm star will go to delete everything. Yes, it does not show anything, right? Okay. The next command is m done. Okay. Now let's go to the documentation of rm. rm d1. Remove a file. Whenever you are going to remove directory, then d1 rm-r. Okay. Let's one more command I just wanted to show you. Okay, over d21, d22, d23. D21, D22, and D23. 21, 22, 23. Using RM, how can I remove all the 21, 22, 20? Okay. This is how we can remove multiple directory. D1, D2, D3. Remove multiple directory. Then remove all the files within directory. RAM, then I go to that one. Okay. D25. Let's go to D25. Okay. Let's say I have a file called test1.txt. Okay. Let's say Sunday, Monday. And I'm creating another files. Jan, February, March, Control D. Then I'm creating another file. They're having some content. Spark. Okay. And again I am creating another file without content. Let's see. Just 4. How many files are there? I have test 3.
5 files.
Yeah. So 5 files are there, right?
Mm.
Now I just wanted to remove everything interactively. It means whenever we are going to remove, it will ask for our confirmation. Okay. Hyphen I just wanted to remove test1.txt. We are going to remove test, let's say give star. It will for each file. I remove regular file, yes, then press Y. Enter. Remove. I remove test2.txt. Remove. Let's say I don't want. Remove N. Test4. Y. Remove, I don't know. Now see how many files have been removed. Only wherever I have pressed Y, those file has been removed. But where I have not pressed Y, instead of N, it is not removed, right? This is an interactive way of removing. Okay, take this point. Remove interactively. It will ask for the permission. Users. Yes. Right. Remove. Yes. And remove. Okay. This is all the RM related command. Okay. Another command is that RM hyphen FD forcefully remove file. Sorry, test. In case of directory, you must use the R option. Forcefully directory. Okay. Let me RM hyphen F test. Okay, I just wanted to remove. So you can see here it is removed. But directory you cannot remove. Let's go to want to remove the D25. RM hyphen F D25 won't remove. Instead, what we have to provide whenever it is a directory, you need to must specify the command with R option. Okay, then D25 remove. See, 25 is not there, right? So these are all the command related to RM only. It is very crucial command. Never ever used in the inner server. Okay, it removes all the files and directory. It's very difficult to get back all those. Okay, this command is very crucial. RM hyphen F, these are very important command. Okay, hyphen F only applicable for the files. Hyphen R, whenever you are going to remove any directory using the RM command, then